Hello everyone, if you wanted to know how you can get a transparent taskbar like I have here, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to get a transparent taskbar on your computer. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser, you're going to search for TranslucentTB, and then you're going to click onto this first link from apps.microsoft.com. Go ahead and download the software up, and once it's done downloading, open it up like this, and here you have the option to either have a normal, an opaque, clear, blur, or acrylic taskbar. So I'll show you how opaque looks. This is how opaque looks. And then I'll show you how clear looks. I have the taskbar border on, so I'll just turn it off. So this is clear taskbar. And then this is the blur one. And lastly, this is the acrylic one. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.